In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. First, open Genspark and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the account where you want your research saved and confirm you have a stable internet connection. If you've been away for a while, a quick refresh can ensure the latest features are loaded before you begin. Next, start a deep research or research style task. This mode is designed for structured market analysis and will guide the tool to pull from a broad set of sources, synthesize patterns, and present insights in an organized way. If you see options, choose the workflow that emphasizes comprehensive research rather than quick answers. Now, enter the market, niche, audience, or product you want researched. Be as specific as you can. For example, instead of typing fitness, you might say at-home strength training equipment for busy professionals in North America. Adding details like geography, time frame, and a clear target user will help the tool surface more relevant findings and reduce noise. Ask Genspark to gather trends, pain points, demand signals, and audience insights. Think of trends as what's rising or declining over time, pain points as the frustrations customers want solved, demand signals as indicators of buying interest and momentum, and audience insights as who the buyers are and why they care. You can phrase this as a direct instruction, and if you already have hypotheses, mention them so the tool can test or contrast them. Let the tool collect and organize the research. This may take a moment while it aggregates sources, clusters, themes, and drafts summaries. Avoid interrupting this step. Allowing the process to complete improves accuracy and coherence. When it's done, you should see sections or summaries you can quickly scan. Review the findings and narrow the scope if you need more specific results. Look for recurring themes, surprising gaps, and any outliers that don't fit your target. If the scope feels too broad, refine your prompt with tighter audience segments, a shorter time window, or a more focused use case. You can also ask follow-up questions like focus on early adopters, exclude enterprise buyers, or compare last year to this year to sharpen the output without starting over. Finally, save or export the final market research output. Give it a clear name so you can find it later and export it in your preferred format for sharing or archiving. Keeping both the summarized view and any detailed appendices will make it easier to reference when you build strategies, presentations, or product plans. That's it, your structured market research completed efficiently with Genspark.